Welcome to Andy Walker Construction Company. Today, we're taking you behind the scenes on a full house transformation, from dated interiors to a modern, open, beautifully finished home. Here's where it all started. A tired home waiting for new life. Old wallpaper peeling back. The kitchen had become tight and outdated, and a layout that simply didn't suit modern living. The flooring throughout the house, scuffed, uneven. Moving through the rooms, we could see aging plasterwork and cracks. The bathroom, tired, and no longer functional. This home needed a complete transformation. Our first step, stripping away decades-old wallpaper to expose the surface beneath. This creates a clean canvas for the major structural and finishing work that follows. To improve flow and stability, we begin by installing a new door lintel. Precision is key here, ensuring structural support before any further work. With all structural checks completed and approval from our structural engineer, we begin safely demolishing the non-load-bearing wall that separates the kitchen and dining area. Our team carefully removes each brick and wooden panel section by section, following strict safety procedures and stability checks at every stage. Once cleared, the newly opened space transforms the home instantly, creating a brighter, more connected layout suited for modern living. Next, we strip away all deteriorated plaster to expose the true condition of the walls beneath. With the surfaces covered and uncovered, we carry out a full moisture assessment using specialized detection tools. This allows us to accurately identify any hidden damp issues early on, ensuring the renovation is built on a dry, stable foundation and guaranteeing a long-lasting, healthy finish. To address rising damp, we install the dry rod damp-proofing system. These rods deliver reliable, long-term protection and safeguard the home from moisture issues. In the bathroom, everything is removed: tiles, sanitary ware, accessories, and old boarding, leaving us with a clean shell ready for a fresh start. Across the entire home, we apply a fresh skim coat. This transforms rough and uneven surfaces into smooth, modern walls ready for paint. We install hardy backer boards throughout the bathroom, a moisture-resistant, durable base ideal for premium tiling. With the prep complete, we move into the installation stage. We begin by laying the new tiles, ensuring a perfectly level and smooth surface across the walls and floor. Tile spacers are used to maintain equal, consistent gaps, creating a clean and symmetrical finish. Once the tiles are firmly set, we apply high-quality grout to seal the joints and enhance durability. After grouting, the tiles are thoroughly wiped down and cleaned to remove any residue or haze, leaving a crisp, polished surface ready for the next stage of the bathroom transformation. Next, we install the stylish bathtub, the modern shower, the vanity unit complete with a beautiful LED backlit mirror, the toilet, and the towel radiator. Each fixture is positioned, leveled, and sealed with precision. With every component coming together, the new bathroom begins to take shape beautifully. In the new open kitchen, the installation begins with the tall tower unit, designed to house the integrated fridge and create a strong starting point for the layout. Once the tower is securely fixed and leveled, we move on to installing the floor units, including base cabinets, drawer units, and the dedicated cabinet that will support the hob. With the lower section taking shape, we then position and secure the breakfast island, ensuring perfect alignment, stability, and accessible spacing around the room. After the base structure is complete, the doors, drawer fronts and end panels are installed, followed by the wall units. The cooker hood is seamlessly integrated into the wall units, and we complete the upper section with a carefully installed cornice and pelmet. Together, these elements elevate the kitchen's functionality while delivering a sleek, contemporary finish. Next comes the worktop installation. Each section is measured, cut, and fitted with precision. We carefully cut openings for the sink and hob. Once positioned and sealed, the sink and hob are installed and connected. Piece by piece, the kitchen comes together, practical, stylish, and ready for everyday use. Throughout the main living areas, we lay elegant herringbone laminate flooring, adding both warmth and contemporary style. To complete the look, we install matching beading along all perimeter edges, giving the floor a polished, refined finish. Soft, fresh carpets are fitted in the bedrooms, completing the comfort and feel of the private spaces. And now, we present the finished home. Freshly painted walls breathe new life into every room, while the bedrooms have been carefully finished to offer comfort and style. Soft, newly installed carpet adds warmth underfoot, creating a welcoming feel in the sleeping spaces. The bathroom stands transformed with a sleek and modern design. The new laminate flooring in the living areas creates a warm, seamless flow throughout the home, setting the foundation for a clean and modern finish. The kitchen stands at the heart of it all, bright, functional, and fully equipped for everyday living. From the smallest touches to the major transformations, every corner of this home has been meticulously crafted by the Andy Walker construction team.